Yeah, I see. And good morning. I had to look at my clock real quick. Good morning. Thanks for streaming with us. We really appreciate it. And New Year's Eve, I know that's what you're thinking about. I'll just go ahead and tell you, big cold front's going to come in, but I think it's going to be just after midnight. So if you stay out too late, it's going to get windy and it's going to get a lot cooler. Okay, I'll get to that in just a minute. Otherwise, sunny skies today, and the next chance for rain, well, I've got that as well. And that's going to be coming up on Tuesday of next week. All right, outside it is beautiful right now. We've got a temperature of 50 degrees. It's 11:37 in the morning. Normal low 41. We got down to all the way down to 35 at the airport this morning. Northern Bexar County had a little bit of a light freeze. Western Comal County, San Marcos had a light freeze. All through the hill country, a little bit of a light freeze. Record low 16, set back in 1983, and the record high for the date is 85. Making sure, yeah, my mic's still working. All right, temperatures today will top out. Basically today is going to be an instant replay of what we had yesterday. I mean, almost exactly. It was a little cooler this morning, a little chillier, but the afternoon high is going to be very similar. 63 was the high yesterday, and I think today we're going to have a high temperature right around 63. All right, current temperature outside, that should say 50 degrees, and it does. 46 at Bernie, Kerrville 47, and Hallettsville coming in at 49. We've got a little bit of a wind chill still, I believe, up in the hill country. Yeah, it feels like right now, it feels like 42. Fredericksburg, Kerrville feels like about 41. Floresville feels like about 46 degrees. So yeah, real cool out there still. High pressure centered just off to our west with high pressure in place. Winds, they're generally light. So with dry conditions, we should warm up into the low 60s a little bit later on this afternoon. I know a lot of folks this time of the year are flying and traveling. If you are flying out towards California, it's nice, but definitely wet in Northern California, along the coast of Oregon, Washington coast. If you're taking a flight there, up in Seattle, it's wet. Phoenix 71, really nice weather there in Phoenix. And a good part of the Ohio River Valley and also the Mississippi River Valley, cloudy and chilly this morning, this afternoon. Highs will only be in the lower 40s. So if your travel plans take you up into the Mississippi or Ohio valleys, definitely going to be cool there. Let's see, I skipped one. Here we go. All right, let's take a look. Oh, by the way, David, always love David. David, how you doing, man? He goes, my New Year's resolution was to drop my bad habits, but no one likes a quitter. That's funny. And hey, Castor, how are you doing? Hope you're doing good. Okay, so here's the upper level pattern. Notice when we have a northerly flow aloft or northwesterly flow aloft, and when I say aloft, 30,000 feet, 20,000 feet, way up there. When you have that kind of a pattern, it's kind of a sinking motion in the atmosphere. And so when you look outside, that's why we have just wall-to-wall sunshine. So a lot of sun today. Tomorrow, right through the weekend, even though the pattern's going to change subtly, I still think it's going to be mostly sunny on Sunday. And this weekend, we're going to end out 23 on a really good note. High temperatures in the afternoon, 70, 73, pretty close to that, both Saturday and also on Sunday. Now, Monday, we may start clouding up. I'm still going to go mostly sunny, but a real quick storm system comes in on Tuesday. And I think that's going to cloud us up on Tuesday. It's going to be a cool day with temperatures in the 40s for a good part of the day on Tuesday and wet. So if you like it wet and chilly, that's going to be your day. Wednesday and Thursday, we're back to some sunshine. And then Friday, we've got another chance for some rain. Friday, going to be chilly rain again. And then as we head towards the very end of this pattern, as we get towards the middle part of the month, I can't tell you exactly what days, but the more and more I look at the weather pattern, the northern portions of North America up towards the poles, finally we're going to have a north to south movement. And I do think cooler air is going to push southward. Now, it's always really hard to tell exactly how cold, but I do think by the time we get to the middle part of the month, temperatures like lows in the 20s, something like that, real chilly, and at the same time it may be wet. I'm not saying we're going to have any kind of frozen precip, not saying that at all. But what I am telling you is just get ready for the middle part of the month. There's going to be a couple of days that are going to be really chilly and really wet. So at least that's the way it looks to me. Now things could change, but that's the way the pattern is shaping up for the middle part of the month. All right, just put that in the back of your mind. All right, high temperatures this afternoon, lower 60s, lots of sun. Low temperature tomorrow will be in the 30s, and high temperatures tomorrow, I think we're going to get close to 70 and probably low 70s for Sunday. All right, I was talking about that chance for rain on Tuesday, and you're probably wondering, well, how much rain? This is just one computer model. This is the GFS. And the GFS says about 4/10 of an inch. I think we probably could do better than that. The European has a lot more. I think that's going too high. But I think somewhere between half an inch, 3/4 of an inch of rain on Tuesday, that probably makes a lot of sense. I don't think we'll have any thunder action, at least not much. We could always have some, but I think we're going to be a little too stable for that. So just a cold rain on Tuesday. So here's a look at the 7-day. We got to, let's see, February, going home to Hawaii. Oh, Castor's going to be going to Hawaii for February. Be there 2 months. Wow. Well, that's a good time to go. So hopefully have a good time there in Hawaii. It's probably off season. I'm not exactly sure, maybe. But anyway, weekend looks great. Be a little chilly in the mornings. If you have a soccer game in the morning, keep that in mind. Otherwise, highs about 70 on Saturday, 73 on Sunday. And then New Year's Eve, I think most of the evening is going to be nice and mild. But again, it's kind of hard to tell this many days out. But sometime around 1 in the morning, 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning, something like that, cold front's going to come in and it's going to get breezy and a lot cooler. Matter of fact, I think Monday highs only in the upper 50s, and that's with sunshine. It's going to be really breezy on Monday. Tuesday, a chance for rain. It's going to be in the 40s most of the day, I think, on Tuesday. And then Wednesday, high 60, Thursday, 59. So we're going to start off 24 on a chilly note. And Tuesday, I think we've got a chance for some rain. Not only that, but also on the 5th. January the 5th, Friday. It looks like we've got a chance for some rain then. All right, thanks for streaming with us. I got to do the noon show. Make sure and watch us over the weekend, and I'll be back on New Year's Day. So no fun for me, New Year's Eve, but that's okay. I'll be here New Year's Day bright and early. Hopefully you will too. All right, thanks again. We appreciate it. And go out there and enjoy the sunshine. All right, we'll see you later.